Dobar den.
Dobar dan, dzień dobry.
Dino Macedoni Lentića. Well, dobar den.
Dobar dan, drago što dođete. My strategy is, to survive next 2 weeks, maybe.
Completely different circumstances. So we are waiting for a big decision from us to council. And everybody's waiting for the decision. The minister was, he's just back from the airport, as you were coming, he came to the last moment, especially